everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be coming on here because I want to give you 2 ideas that you can make for teachers for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love to give to teachers for Valentine's Day, Christmas, Teachers Appreciation Day. I give to them for Christmas. Whatever the occasion, I'm giving gifts to teachers because they are deserving of it, right? All right, so these are just some ideas I want to give you since Valentine's Day is coming up pretty quick. All right, and I have went into Creative Fabrica and pulled out some designs in Creative Fabrica that I'm going to be using. Now, I'm going to be showing you ideas on how to sublimate on a mouse pad. And I'm also going to be doing one on a mug. I think I'm going to do it on the mug also. All right. So I absolutely love to give to teachers, love to give people what it is that they can use. All right. So, you know, teachers can use mouse pads. They can use mugs because they drink out of them. You know, a lot of teachers drink coffee, tea, and different things like that. So they can use it all alone. All right, so I have a link in the description box for Creative Fabrica. Right now they're running a New Year's deal where you can get full access for $4.99 a month, billed at $59 a year. So that is a great deal, so make sure you go and check out the link. All right, so let's go ahead and go into Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to show you what design that I'm going to be using. Let's go. All right, so I'm in my Creative Fabrica right now, and what I did, I just went in and typed out Teachers Valentine's Day. All right, and it came up with the Teachers Valentine's Day stickers bundle, which is right here. All right, and you can scroll down to see what all it do. Okay, it come with PNG, 12 by 12, and all of that. All right, so I'm going to be it says stickers, but I'm going to see if I'm going to be sublimating this on a mouse pad. All right, my kids have already picked out the one that they want for their teachers. I went ahead and downloaded, but in order for you to download it, you just click download. All computers are different, so your computer may be different than mine. Okay, so you just click download and see it comes up like this right here. You can tag it. That's what I did, and you can go from there. Okay. So you just make sure you press download, and then you go for however your computer is set up for you to, you know, do your downloads. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead. I have went into Canva to pull up my design, and I'm going to be printing everything out in Canva. All right. So let's go into Canva. All right, so here I am in Canva, and I've already sized my design. It's 7 inches by 9.25, which is going to be the height for the mouse pad. And I've already brought over my 2 designs right here, as you see. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. All right, and as you see, it go ahead and just place itself in the in this area where it should be, and I'm just going to go ahead and line everything up right here in this space here. All right, so you don't want it to be too big. You want it to be able to fit in there. All right, so you go ahead and just size everything back out. All right. All right, so I'm going to be sublimating this on the mouse pad. So remember, you always want to mirror your image. So you can either mirror it here, or you can mirror it once you get ready to print out your design. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to mirror it right here. So you go to where it says flip, and you click right here to where it says flip horizontally. Okay, so you see how it look now. It's facing toward me, okay, or us. You click right here where it says flip horizontally, and you see the front that was facing us is now the back part, which is facing us. Okay, so that's what you want. All right, so now I'm going to go here to where it says share. I'm going to go down. I'm going to click download. All right, and I'm going to go to right here where it says PNG suggested. I'm going to go down to where it says PDF print. I'm going to click it. All right, everything is like I like it. I'm going to go down to download, and depending on your computer is where, like I said before, everything will show up for you. Okay. All right, so now you see it has come over to where I am to print it. All right, so it's still mirrored, which means it is facing the other way, it's flipped. All right, so I had one of my subscribers ask me how to print from Canva. So pretty much I just showed you how to get over from Canva into the part where you are to print. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to print from this area here. So you go here to this printer button, click on print, click it. All right, click this area here where it says destination. Like I said, all printers are different, so just know your printer. Click on it. Right now it's on the HP Office Jet 5200. I don't want that. I want it to be on my Epson ET sublimation printer. Okay, so I'm going to continue to have mine at all. One copy. Make sure it's in color, because if you have it on black and white, it will look like this. Okay, no color. I want mine showing color, so I click it. I go here to where it says more settings. Make sure everything is right here. I want the quality to be at 720 DPI. That means that's the highest quality on my computer. All right, fit to paper. Now I'm going to press here where it says print using system dialog. Now you can go in here and change everything and set it, which I will show you how to do that. It's taking a little time. All right, y'all, it's taking a minute to come up. All right, here it is right here. It shows the Epson 27 sublimation printer, which I want. You come on down. I'm going to go down to where it says paper size. It says US letter 8.5 by 11. That's the paper I'm using. It says orientation portrait or landscape. I'm going to keep it on portrait. Okay, you can put it on landscape. That's completely up to you. A lot of times I use landscape when I'm doing shirts, but I'm going to keep it here on portrait. All right, come on down to layout. Print. Click on layout. Go down and just make sure everything is how you want it. Okay, we don't need to do flip horizontally because remember we already did that. Now if you did not do it over in Canva or whatever program you're using, this is where you will click flip horizontally, which is to mirror it. Okay, all right, so I don't need to click that because it's already done. I'm gonna go down here to where it says paper handling, make sure everything is good with that, and it is. And then this is printer options, which is, okay, now let's check this color matching. I don't want the Epson color controls. I want to go here where it says color sync, come down to Adobe RGB. Okay, that's what I want. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come down to print settings, make sure everything is good there. I always use premium presentation paper matte because I'm using the ASUP paper, but you can choose whatever it is that you want to. This is just what I do. And I'm gonna come to high quality for print quality because I want it to be high quality. Remember, this is mirror image. I don't want mirror image because it's already mirrored, so I don't have to click that. I'm gonna click OK. All right, so just did color options. I don't want two-side printing. Printer info just shows you your ink levels and things like that. Okay, so that's good. So now I'm going to go down to print. So let's do it. All right, so now we over here at my Epson ET 2760 printer. And always make sure you have your ASUP paper in your printer before you hit print, okay? Because once you hit print, it will start printing. You want to make sure you have your paper in, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and let this print out, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to put it on your mouse pad. All right, everyone, so here is my design. It is printed out. I absolutely love it. All right, and one thing about me that I do, I know it said stickers, like I was showing you in Creative Fabrica, but I try things. I mean, it probably worked for stickers, and you know, I just wanted to make sure it did work to be able to put it on the mouse pad. So don't be afraid to try things. All right, that's what we're here for. We are to learn and we are to grow. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut all the white part all the extras away from here because I don't want that part. And then I'm going to go over to my heat press and I'm going to press it onto my mouse pad. All right. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use my heat press, which I have set to 350 for 60 seconds. And go ahead and place my design here on my mouse pad. I'll put my butcher paper at the bottom just in case. All right, and I have some butcher paper to go on the top, so make sure you don't forget your butcher paper. I have links in the description box below. All right. All right, so make sure you go ahead and put you on. Well, first of all, I'm going to be lint rolling it. All right. Just to get anything off that may be on here. All right, so I'm going to turn it this way, going up and down, and I'm going to just take it and just place it like in the middle, kind of center it a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. And I'm just going to use my heat tape and just tape it on. All right, so you just tape it all the way around. All right, so I have taped it down. I may use more tape than normal, but I just want to make sure that it was down. I'm going to take my butcher paper and place it over my design like so. And I'm going to go ahead and press it. Like I said, I have it on 350 for 60 seconds. All right, and let's do this. Ooh. All right. All right, everyone, so as we see, the design is coming through the paper, so that's a good sign that it took very well to the mouse pad. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, it's cooled down, so I'm going to take my little pick here and just be careful and just kind of pull the tape up, okay, just like this. Ooh, y'all, it's looking cute. Ooh, I'm loving this. All right, so y'all, we got to do a big reveal on this one, okay? All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. That is so pretty. Look, y'all. Ooh, look what your girl done did. I do not need a Valentine. I have a classroom full of them. Like I said, this is going for one of my twins' teachers. And I absolutely love this one. This is gorgeous, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and do a design on the mug. All right. All right, y'all. So now I am going to be making a mug for the teachers for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to be using these Cricut mugs here, the ceramic mug blank. These are 15 ounces. All right, and this is it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it. And I have my measuring tape to measure it to see what size I'm going to do the design. And I'm not going to do a full wrap. A full wrap is all the way around the cup. I'm just going to do a design here. And I think, excuse me, I think I'm going to do one on this side also, okay? All right, everyone. So what I did, I went ahead and did the same thing that I showed you I did in the first one. And this is another one. It's called Cupid's Favorite Teacher. And I just brought it over into my space here in Canva. So I'm going to do everything the same way I did it when I showed you when I did the mouse pad. So if you have more than if you're going to do this the 2 ways that I showed you here to decorate for teachers, you just do the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and print it out, then I'm gonna show you how I'm going to put my mug in my mug press. Okay. All right, so actually I could have put both of these on one sheet of paper. I don't know why I was thinking it was going to be bigger than what it was. But when you do this, make sure you just do it where you can put, you know, the designs on one sheet of paper instead of 2. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to go ahead and use my heat tape to tape the design on my mug. Okay. First of all, I'm going to take alcohol and wipe down this mug. And that's just to clean it from any dirt or any debris or anything. Okay. All right, so I could have actually made these a little bigger, but what you do, you're just going to take, because I'm going to put it on both sides. So I'm just going to take it and put it on here just like this. All right, in the spot that I want it. All right, I'm going to kind of center it, try to. All right, I'm going to take my heat tape and just tape it on here, just like so. Okay. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side, okay? All right, so this is how I did the front, the back, and I just cut off a little butcher paper because you're always supposed to cover up your sublimation. All right, so here is my Cricut mug press right here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Let it warm up. All right, so I put my mug in my Cricut mug press, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and press down on it to close it. All right, and as you see, this is the timer right here, and it counts down from 1 to 5. When you hit 5, it's finished, okay? All right, so it has reached 5 dots. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And now this is going to be hot, so I'm going to use the handle part to lift it out, along with my sublimation, along with my butcher paper. All right, so I'm gonna go and sit it down, let it cool off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. All right. All right, so here is my mug, and as you see, the design came through the paper. Like I told you, that usually means it took very well. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off, and let's see how it turns out, okay? All right, so I have my little pick here, but you just have to be very careful when picking it up, especially on this mug, because you do not want to scratch it. All right, so I'm just kind of taking the tape off and peeling it away so that I'm able to take off the paper. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the tape, and we're going to do the big reveal to see how everything is looking. All right, so you ready? Let's see. Ooh, y'all, that is so pretty. Look, it's very vibrant. It's still a little hot, but it says Cupid's favorite teacher. All right, and I think I'm going to give this to one of the guy teachers at our school. And let me go ahead and take this off, and let's see how the other side look. All right, oops, still a little hot, so just be careful. All right, look, super cute, y'all. As my daughter always tell me, Mama, say it again. So I said, girl, that's cute. That's cute right there, y'all. All right. Yes, I'm always talking about my daughter, always talking about me, because I always said something is cute. And then I said, oh, this super cute right here, y'all. This super cute. All right. So I thank y'all so very much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. 2 ways that you can make teachers Valentine gifts to give to your kids' teachers, grandkids, you know what? Just pretty much any teacher. All right. So I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you all have a super amazing night, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.